Alrighty, I guess we're starting now.
Yep, here we go.
Remember, shut up when they start.
Buddy joined your channel.
Yeah, keep the battle comms clear.
Doopy, you wanna play?
User disconnected from your channel.
Hey, Cable.
Yeah, send the invite.
Hey, man.
Doing a little Black League action here, me versus Epic.
Good luck.
Let's see, go black.
And this is kind of a black on black crime.
Cable, I got downloaded, by the way.
You guys gotta stop this. We're just gonna need sensitivity training again.
I don't need another week of that shit, please. God. I think they'll run my ass off this time.
Alright, I have you detected.
I do not have you detected.
You do now.
Kill him.
Good luck, guys.
Oh, it can be a sneaky feller, huh?
Snicker.
Hmm.
I'm a snicker.
It's the Goodyear blimp.
What do you want to play, Golden?
Let's switch chat division so we don't interrupt.
Buddy left your channel. Buddy left your channel.
Can't ram.
I'm aware. Finish him.
Shit. Not really. That sucked.